You have probably seen this footage where Russian troops are hidden in trenches, thinking they are safe under the cover of the forest. Suddenly, a drone appears, silently hovering above. Moments later, it unleashes a devastating rain of fire, spreading destruction and chaos. These drones are called Dragon Breath. Welcome to Military Footage Archive. You can support our work on Patreon, link is in the description. This fire is created by a thermite mixture made of aluminum powder and iron oxide ignited by an electric fuse. The mixture burns at a temperature of 3,992 degrees Fahrenheit and can set almost any material, even steel, on fire. The Ukrainian Armed Forces began using these powerful weapons in September 2024. When the footage was released, Ukrainian Army officials confirmed that Dragon drones had been deployed in combat for the first time. These drones have been highly effective, destroying enemy positions with greater precision than other weapons. Even Russian media acknowledged their impact. A Russian military expert commented, "Unfortunately, they are very effective. These burning mixtures set positions and forests on fire, exposing our soldiers." Russian troops, usually hiding in tree lines, often avoid revealing their positions by shooting at kamikaze drones. However, the Dragon Breath drones are different. Russian soldiers fear them so much that they attempt to shoot them down, even if it reveals their location. Sometimes they succeed, but often they do not. How do Dragon drones work? A Dragon drone dispenses thermite, a mixture of powdered iron oxide and metal powder. These drones are equipped with first-person view cameras, allowing operators to fly low and ignite the thermite over targets. The burning thermite can reach temperatures over 3,990 degrees Fahrenheit, destroying personnel, vehicles, and even armored targets. Thermite burns so hot that it can penetrate 4 millimeters of metal in under 10 seconds. Thermite weapons are not new. The German army first used thermite bombs during World War I, and they were also deployed in World War II by both Nazi Germany and Allied forces. The U.S. military used thermite in Japan and later in the Vietnam War. Despite their destructive effects, using thermite weapons in military operations is not illegal under international law, though it is banned against civilians. Military experts believe Dragon drones won't replace traditional drones or planes, but they can save valuable munitions while effectively targeting enemy positions. Their precision and power make them a valuable addition to modern warfare. What do you think about these fire-breathing drones?